Hey guys, it's Aidette. So today I am back with a huge haul. This was $3,000 worth. Most of this stuff is stuff that I bought with my actual money, and some of this stuff is things that I do get sponsored. Basically, the reason that I went on this huge entire rampage is because I'm going to be going to New York tomorrow with Kiara. We are so excited because this is our third time going to New York together, so it's just kind of like, oh my gosh, this is happening our third time. So it's kind of like a little tradition with us, and we completely love New York. And I'm sure you guys are anticipating this entire $3,000 haul, so let's get right into it. So I'm first going to be starting off with OOTD, and unfortunately this is not a try on because this is just so much stuff to try on, but I'm pretty sure that you guys can get the gist. I'm going to try to link every single thing that I ordered down below so you guys can get it for yourselves. So this is OOTD, and I got a whole bunch of dresses because they have a lot of dresses for really good prices. So this one's just a nude dress, and it just kind of straps up with dainty straps. It's a low cut, and we have this bunching right here on the side, which kind of gives you a high leg, which is really sexy, very pretty. I get a UK 6 for tops or dresses, and for bottoms, since I am a medium or a size 5, I usually do a UK 8. I'm super tan right now because I just went to go get a spray tan, and this time it was the darkest shade. But anyway, continuing on with this mountain of clothes. So then I got this latex two-piece. This one's gorgeous. I think I might wear this one to BeautyCon, but I'm not sure yet. So it's just a midi skirt, and then along with it comes this little top here, which is everything. This is so cute. So it just kind of looks like latex, and then we have this choker here with some buckles. I have this pink satin dress, and it just kind of has two little cups here for the boobs, and it has this wiring here, and then on the back it has this pretty strapping, and it is so beautiful. This is kind of similar to something that I wore to one of my first New York beauty cons. This is just a mini dress, and it is just so beautiful. I'm kind of scared that it might be a little bit too short. And then this color here, guys, I have not seen a dress in this shade ever. I mean, not a nice party dress, but it's this beautiful mint color, and oh my goodness, it's just so simple but so beautiful at the same time. I just need to try all of them on, and I'm kind of a little bit out of breath because I'm trying to make sure that everything is scheduled in right, and today is just a very productive day for me. Then I have this dress that's also a possibility for one of the BeautyCon days. It's kind of an ivory light gray, but it has all of this strapping down the center, adjustable straps, and just pretty much a mini dress. So it just goes all the way down like that. Details onto everything that makes it look just so much more pretty. And I feel all of these dresses were under $80. I think most of the dresses were $40 to $60, so it wasn't too bad at all. But I have a pretty similar dress by color, and it just looks like this. Meshki has a similar one, and the back just kind of goes halfway down, but the thing that I can't get undone is that right here it has this diamond strapping, which is gorgeous, and it comes with this protective layer, and it's so sticky that I can't even take it off. You have a nice flash on the picture, and all of these diamonds are literally just gonna be flashing onto the photo, which is gonna be gorgeous. So this set I am so excited for because look at this. I think I might wear this to an after party or something. I was gonna say maroon, but it's more of a cranberry red, and it's this little mini skirt with a tiny little slit and these gold embellishments, which are everything. And then it comes with this little top here that you have to strap up in the back. Don't be afraid to follow me on my Instagram. This is where I'm going to be wearing everything, and it is always linked down below along with all of my other socials. And the very last thing that I got from OOTD, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This would look really nice with literally anything that I bought from there. It's this beautiful warm brown orangey coat. It's so freaking cute. I want to try this one on for you guys. It's a size too small. This one's in an extra small, but it fits just fine. Then moving on to some beautiful jewelry pieces that I got from this amazing jewelry boutique from Instagram. You guys can use my code that is right here, or it'll be down below. They're from Dare to Be Beautiful, and they will be linked down below, and I'm so excited for you guys to go check them out. She is such a sweet owner, and she's just such a genuine person, but also her jewelry just speaks for itself. It is so shiny, high quality. This piece just really spoke to me because I think it's almost a choker, but it just kind of goes like this, and it's also affordable. So then here we have a Jesus head on this beautiful Cuban link. I like my necklaces to be right here because I wear a lot of crop tops. Then I got this one here that says princess, and I love all of my jewelry goals. I'm not a silver kind of gal, but see, this one fits like right here. And then with my order, they all came in these cute little baby pink bags, so I really appreciated that. Then I have this crystal cross here. This one fits a little bit lower, so it's probably somewhere around here. Then this one got a little bit tangled just because I'm so clumsy, so this one's just kind of like a 3-tier one. I'm gonna have someone untangle this because my nails are literally just like all over the place. They're super long. By the way, if you guys want to know who my nail tech is, I will list her down below. Her @ will be right here. She's on Instagram and she does beautiful Swarovski crystal designs and they're just so beautiful. She's really good with freehand too and her sculpting. So I got my hair done by Maribel as always. Her @ is @hair by Maribel. She does an amazing job and she's in the La Habra area. So my tan is by Totally Tanning. They are such amazing people. All the people that I work with that I just mentioned right now, they're super kind, amazing business owners, and they all own their own businesses. So the jewelry that I showed you, the nail tech that I showed you, the hair, the tan, all of them are business owners. They're amazing and I 10 out of 10 recommend them for sure. And also, if you guys ever go to any of the people that do any of my services, such as my nails, my hair, my tan, or my jewelry, let them know that you're coming because of me. They always get such a huge smile on their face. It just goes a long way, so it will definitely make their day if you let them know. Then I got this beautiful pendant and it is jeweled up too with this beautiful chain. This one looks a little bit more of like a coin and it also has Jesus on it. So pretty. And this is the last one that I got. This one's probably the biggest one that I have seen, but it is absolutely gorgeous, just like the rest of them. Now moving on to JLux, I got a whole bunch of like dresses and 2-pieces. So this is the first 2-piece that I got. So this is just a tan 2-piece. This one I got in a size medium. They do fit, but I would like them to be a little bit tighter, so I'm probably just gonna throw them in the wash so they can shrink up a little bit above your ankle. I'm 5'1", so if you're taller, they're probably gonna be like a little bit above your knee or below your knee. So this one straps up like this in the center, and this is so pretty, but unfortunately this one's a little bit too big. But this is a navy 2-piece and these are just pretty much flowy pants. They're high-waisted. They definitely snatch you. Also with this little top right here, and it's just the same color. Then the second 2-piece that I got is like this emerald green velvet. This one kind of reminds me of something that I would wear like for the holiday season, like around Christmas time. So it has like this jeweled belt right here, and then it has the beautiful velvet green. This is just the set that you could wear together. Looks the same. Then this top was super fun. I'm super excited to wear it because it's like very sophisticated but very like sexy at the same time. Teal, seafoam green. I just think that is so beautiful. It reminds me of my mom because she likes to wear shirts like this and businessy kind of look, and I normally don't wear many things like this, but I thought that it was appropriate since I am going to be heading over to New York. So it looks like this and it has a whole bunch of embellishments right here. As you can tell, I'm going for like the very luxe and glamorous jeweled out look, but still very sophisticated as well. They're just that same light gray and they have that beautiful embellishment all the way down the leg. Then I next up got this beautiful dress just so I could wear like around the hotel, feel glamorous. It has like this very low V. It's this beautiful just long dress. You could also wear this to like prom or something. For something like this, you would usually pay like maybe $200 like downtown LA, which is crazy. So go check out these boutiques first before you go to like downtown because they always rip you off there. Back is out. The sides are out, and then the middle of the boob is just out. Long slit, like a high slit, so you have to be careful with this one. Then I got this 2-piece that I'm super excited to wear. I think I might wear this to the airport tomorrow morning because it's gonna be pretty chilly, and especially when we land it's gonna be like 40-50 degrees. So these pants are in a large, but they should fit because I'm usually like a medium in bottoms and I can just snatch this up. And I was like, no, I don't care. I want to feel like a teddy bear. I just want to be comfy, and especially against the tan, it's gonna look really nice. So I'm excited to wear this tomorrow. Beautiful, just plush hoodie too, and I think that it is just so amazing. You're literally like a walking teddy bear. Tiger Mist did send me these out. This is a 2-piece. This is kind of like a Rihanna inspired 2-piece, so it has like a little buckle in the middle, and it comes with this beautiful little skirt here, just a matching one. This one kind of reminds me of like Clueless, so I think that it will be super fun to wear. So it just kind of like dips a little bit right into the waist, so it makes you look snatched. And then just to get into it, it does have a zipper in the back. I got these overalls. These kind of are the ones that dip a little bit low. So they're kind of like this low right here. And it does have like all of this opening in the back, so you could wear it with like a cute little dainty gray bralette and just be super free. And then it just goes into long pants, but it is like a very airy material, and also the bottom is very distressed. This one's kind of similar to the dress that I just showed you guys, but this is a completely opened up top. So it looks like this, and it goes like right above here, so you could also wear this with like a gray little bralette. And for some pants, this is the last item that I got from Tiger Mist. These are very different, so I'm gonna have to see how I'm gonna style these. These are like a pleather, and they're this beautiful nude. So gorgeous. Almost done, guys, but I also do have OOTD Fash to show you guys, and also I did some damage at TJ Maxx. OOTD Fash is the plug for a lot of my clothes, so I also do have a code with them, which is Aidette 15, but it'll be right here also down below. Also, I do know the owner. She's super sweet, Elsie, and she loves it when people use our discount code. So if you guys ever go to OOTD Fash in La Habra or the Covina area, let them know that I sent you guys, and you can also use my code when you're in store and online. First pants that I got from them is these, of course, because I love my sweats. So these are a medium. I usually get my pants in medium and my tops in like small or extra small if I want them to be extra tight. So these are like this beautiful just straight on yellow, and they have like this white on the side. And these are some shorts that I got. I can never find shorts that fit, but whenever I go to OOTD Fash, they always have shorts that actually fit. So I definitely recommend that you guys go in store, or you guys hurry and go online and just snatch everything up that you want now. So then I got two of the same mom jeans. These are just that plain wash, like a medium wash, and these don't have any rips and tears, thank God. That are the same thing. These are just a black wash. Then I got some sets because you can never have too many sets. So this one's the only one that doesn't have a set because I wanted to mix and match this top with all the colored skirts that I got. It's olive color, which I think would look really nice with the tans. And then I got it with this skirt, so it's just a beautiful olive midi skirt. Same thing, just I thought that this yellow was beautiful, so I was oh no, I have to get it. And then lastly, this one is like a rusty shade, so this one is what it looks like. And then I got this dress that I thought was super cute. It's kind of like the yellow one that I showed you guys earlier, but this one's like a cotton material, so it's gonna be so comfy. Olive green top, and I got this kind of like as a set. It's not actually a set, but I thought that they would look really cute together. This skirt right here, which is an a size small. I probably should have got a medium, but they didn't have a medium, so I just was like, God, please let this small fit me. And then I got this other set. I don't know if they're actually supposed to be a set, but they had like the same material, so I was like, you know what, let's make it a set. So this is kind of like the same concept as the other shirt. This one's just like a dark charcoal, and then it also came with these shorts. These are a large, but like I said, like sometimes I can like fit into larges because I'm normally a medium. And then lastly, for the tops, I got this black scrunchy top. This one is just so beautiful. Another thing that I just freaking love about OOTD Fash is that it's all of these basics that are just so beautiful, and you can just throw it on and make it look like you spent 100 million hours on your outfit when you really didn't. You just found it, you're like, okay, let's put this on, good to go. And everyone's like, oh my gosh, you probably are like such a fashionista, like you make everything look so good. Then I got this black lacy top just for those days where you just kind of want to be a little bit more simple. And this top I saw Elsie wear on her Instagram, and I was like, no, I need this. And I got this one in an extra small because I wanted it to be a little bit more tight. So this one has like kissy marks all over it. And I also got this top here. This one's kind of like a gingham type material. Then I got this one that kind of reminded me of like 4th of July, but I would wear it at like I don't know, like at a barbecue. But this is a bodysuit. Then I got this top here because it was like a basic like just white tie top, very free. You could wear this with anything. And this very last top that I got from OOTD Fash, this is a mint blue color. I've been loving like this robin's egg type blue because it's just such a pure color. And now I am completely out of breath, so now I'm going to be moving on to the very last thing in this haul, which is TJ Maxx. And I think I got about 6 pairs of shoes, like Coach sandals. They look like this, and I'm usually not a huge Coach person because they don't really like gravitate towards me. It's not really my style, but these were like just really plain and basic, and I thought that these would be amazing to just wear every single day. So this one is an Adidas slide. These are Adidas slides. I saw these because they're a hot pink, and I love slides, so I had to get them. So these were in a size 7, so they're obviously like way too huge on me, but I just said, you know what? I can wear some big socks, make it look like they're actually my size. I kind of thought that these looked a little bit funky. I haven't seen these before, but at the same time I was like, these are kind of a look. So they're kind of like a Tom's type style, and I used to be obsessed with Tom's when I was younger. These are seriously like stepping on clouds because they do have foam inside. So these are in a size 5.5, I believe. I got these Pumas that I've been wanting to get for a while, but I just haven't. These also have that same foam inside. And then lastly, the ones that I think I'm most excited for are these beautiful Nike Roshis. So that was all for this huge haul, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this $3,000 haul. I'm pretty sure it costed more than $3,000, but just estimating. So yeah, I'm out of breath now. I'm gonna go reward myself with a nice ice cold glass of water and just head over to LA, do all my things, and then head out to New York, baby. So let me know if you guys like these types of videos so I can just go and splurge my money on some more clothes and jewelry and shoes just for your guys' entertainment. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.